Hello there. In this video, we're diving into a PowerShell script that's all about automating file management using data from an Excel sheet. So here we have a source folder full of random files, and we want to organize them into different folders based on information in an Excel sheet. Now, let's see it in action before going over the code. We've already have the source folder path, the destination folder path, and the path to our Excel workbook configured. Let me quickly jump into the terminal and run this script. There you go. We have a nicely organized folder with all our listed files. We will go over the code now. This is where we have provided path to our source folder, destination folder, and the Excel workbook containing the list of files. First up, we're using the import Excel CMD let to bring our Excel data into the PowerShell realm. Our Excel sheet has two columns, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 has the file name, and column 2 specifies the target folder. To keep things neat, we're using a dictionary called copied files to track what we've already copied. No duplicates allowed. We check both the base name and full name of the files against this dictionary. Now, let's loop through each file in our source folder. We grab the base name and the full name, checking if we've already copied them to avoid redundancy. We then search our Excel data for an entry matching either the base or full name. If we find a match, we move on to the next step. For each associated item in column 2, we create a folder in the destination path. We're ensuring a clean organization here. Next, we copy the file into each associated item's folder. PowerShell is doing the heavy lifting here with copy item. To prevent duplicates, we mark both the base name and full name as copied in our dictionary. This keeps things efficient and avoids unnecessary file shuffling. And there you have it, a PowerShell script orchestrating file movements based on Excel data. Super handy for keeping your files organized. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy scripting!